You should give him 5 stars. He did give us water. Look, I'm sorry. I know you're upset. If I could change anything, I would.
Maybe you could go back in time and get a spare tire.
I didn't think to buy one. I'm sorry.
Of course you don't. You never think.
I didn't plan for this, okay? I'm bummed too.
I took all my vacation days off for this.
I spent months planning this. I did so much research.
I'm trying to get promoted. I can't just miss days for nothing, though.
I even called your mom to figure out where you went camping when you were younger.
But did you think to get the freaking car checked or the oil changed or any basic maintenance shit work before?
At least I have a car. Lauren, look.
I'm taking a shower.
Lauren, I'm sorry. If you're ready, I have a surprise out here for you.